it's waka chance we kwem no. You the MP for Pussycat. And your Pusiga constituency in Upper East. Honorable Ayambaladi. Oh no, I didn't need to Ukraine. I found several can find class 6 na ewu no. I was a trouble colors. Any TikTokers up a class with mommy. Then several trouble colors I catch my melody. Hey, and your figure, bro. My to the moon watch the waging amame. Ever comment session. How you Penyah block media. That's what I say need you. Over like a video, no other subscribe button. Now back like a notification icon for latest updates. Now back to the waging amame. Ever comment session. Best also about so one shape for so any be ashe. And literally 2 days ago, Anna Ghana Armed Forces for AB Omo Apnum as Omo Airfieldmen for na Omasa screening any BBA account Emma across the country. No, Metesati nipa na ombetimi afa 4,000. 4,000 ombetimi afa, but any pair top forms no, any popo pin porter, ever put top forms no, any nipa kuma bubruja 80 Omo yes screening ya de no, any pair couple dumping. Various regions no na enye easy. Kumasi Ashanti region go share Kumasi Babayara Sports Stadium. Hey, Central you go share Cape Coast Sports Stadium honomo. East you go share Koforidua Sports Stadium. And Accra go share El-Wak Sports Stadium. Na hono there was an incident which led to a stampede. Emma ni pensia FM eto ananamo sia de ewu kran na Emma ebi the ICU so prepare the ICU so. Na issue happen here no. Anna Member of Parliament for Pussycat constituency. Hey, Member of Parliament for Pussycat constituency. Honorable Madam Ladi Ayi, at the floor of Parliament, also national to them say, Allah has ordained them to die that day.
But I want us to all take solace in the Almighty Allah. There is nothing that happens that doesn't happen at the right time. This is what the Almighty Allah has ordained for them. Today is their day. No matter how, no matter what, no matter who was there, as what, even if we brought all the presidents of the world to sit there as ministers or whatsoever, once today is ordained for them to die, they will. And this is what has happened. Unless you don't believe in the oneness of God, unless you don't believe in the oneness of the Almighty Allah, it is not anybody who wanted them to die. There is no single officer there who wanted even one single soul to pass.
Omutam na so ala na ahye eye normal he omutam na so enye hokra no ba ya ko mbewu that day na de na omutam so say omuwu etra omuwu ye no eye normal and ordinary gdie ni belief and ekasa aye but enye ba bia na e belief ekasa. You can't mix religion with politics and fact because enye omomuti onye obi na believe in your religion. And you'll be able to believe in your religion. And so, the back mark, I say, I who same CSC, that's all the way ever cast as I enjoy it. I enjoy it. I know. I'm not trouble colors. Any other TikTokers, I bet clash with mommy.
But I want us to all take solace in the Almighty Allah. There is nothing that happens that doesn't happen at the right time. This is what the Almighty Allah has ordained for them. Today is their day. No matter how, no matter what, no matter who was there, as what, even if we brought all the presidents of the world to sit there as ministers or whatsoever, once today is ordained for them to die, they will.
Ragazzi, asamaba. Me pa macho me pese me bisa question we say. Honorable Ayamba Ladi Ayi, a oye MP of Pusiga, minim say baby a oye MP no menya no writer whatever it is. Eye ni kunu ne wu ye. Ena ye de ne kwase hono mo anase ye to no so aba na ye de ne kokosi hono mo as an MP. Chale, imagine this insensitive topic. Anase issue esi. This big tragedy. Ato Ghana ama ema pretty sex lady ome free mo. By this time, me am ya Ghana no. Me ra ho me pe awrechichesem. Me pe se obi kura beka se anke ye ni se ya anke be ye sei. Ma me ne paso wo kire se akro be wu no ni ko se popo motom kro be wu. What a nonsense talk. Ewa abra na busuafo to omu de yaw. Entu paso wo kire se enkwanhyesem a wo kan acheche omuru ni enie. Ma me chale sometimes enunte na yemu bi wo hono ma yetimi ka se religion ankasa no eyense hunu because nyankopon no obo soro ne asase no wa mo obi ase obi emewu before the time tie ne ye enunte na wa ma ya dwene se yemfa ntena asase so na yemfa nya what is right onyankopon ma ya dwene no wa kire ye se okay police military omu ye recruitment omu ankasa no omu nim se omu befa nipa ebia 10 enipa 10 omu nye ni 15 na omu ma enipa 15 mm application form enti sa 15 no se ne etie bia no omu benya bia frim omu anya bia mfrim a omu sa so mbia ntumfo enipa 15 eno so no omu benya bia frim na mo dia ba because of mo personal interest mo personal gain nti mo dia beto ama amanfo akwaje forms a register mo ho forms no so kwaje a eyiska meaning say mo bo ahiafo apo mo ni mo pan say ade na mo ye no enipa dodo na mo pernya sa na mo peba mo personal interest ni sika mo benya nti mo biatum ama nipa begu ho twe there's no guidelines entino enra me hunu de na bi mo ye they need to climb and jump in and order, which is very wrong because almost no majimi dodo na yesa mwa enomugu ho. But muna mo ye no senka mo kape ade na kire se eda sei enipa wei yama ya send obi a message enipa dodo se mumra da sei enipa dodo se mumra da sei 5 days ka mo betimi control crowd no ade de omu ye na ye carnival na se Shatawale street show enomu koyeye man fani man to akwam ama nipa akotwe afaso ama nipa ewu instead of so beba out abeka nyansa sem ama ato nipa tirim no honorable asem a wo ba beka nie o ka no so no ase ni tirim no waka nyansa sem bia ma chale se mo ko rap parliament sa mo traditional belief in mo religion mo nyin free ho na parliament ya mra na edidi asem e nyansa sem no se ka arekekere sem Mama na mama raho aso onye oba atan se de onyankopon asese no eno ana wasese ka kwanye kum eboni till now eda so da ho ebetimi ekum nipa foforo medimani akwa hu when was that 2 years ago me kwanye da so da ho sanke ye kwan na anka adwun se boni nko bewu ho chale we need to be serious onyankopon mo we ma obi wakwa akotwe sekan wunim sase kai wudi ko wo obi ubeku no wo se media wo no ebe kasa sa na nyame ahye ne so obi wu da bi chale me raho arrivederci
mako 6 ewu MP ye bisa wana se beka bibi na arekekere emra nipam ka bibi na abusua no wonom akoma mra fam a the only for the MP just to raise and just to get up and say Nklano was ordained to die in Ra. MP oyo ba enti mebo politics na ewura ye mu ama sebise bi se ya adwene na nya adwuma bi o anasa e dientia DDNS memblemi no bebre DDNS of that hospital memblemi no bebre dientina memblemi no bebre because oni public relations bia na nso ma me wo yo ba enti at least anya hwe anka wo se anka unya badaye bi na the kasa you don't address the press like you're commanding your distant your squadron and asi bibisa you don't address the press like you're commanding your nurses at that military hospital nti yesrew if you don't have the public relations skills don't come out and talk to us we are Ghanaians We are all Ghanaians. It wasn't me, can you? You cannot Nenti legacy be nkwan ye pese ye njai to ho. Legacy be in the name of getting something to achieve, and I say something, and I say in the aim of ye nku wura baabi na ye mfa ye adwuma more mine. Na se ye ko na ye nkura who even told you say wo no mo benya processing? As I've already said, unim say mo process ye unim say some ma bontana maybe be because say na o promises say na anye say no. It is not always say you did the campaign promises in a bay adwuma. Any time bia na the campaign you follow campaign promises. Enti yebesrem. The Ghana Armed Forces is far beyond this. Suddenly, maybe say na en media ni na say international bodies status or more capture. You are just bringing down the integrity of the armed forces. Adain, you will never see Bruni doing this. You will never see Bruni doing this. If say was stipulated time afterwards, within 4 years, maybe for 12,000. Bruni bet much chima me who say, so 12,000 nipa etimi ato him cry be about 100,000. Na 100,000 Bruni bet chemo nkete say be ya what do be before smooth recruitment process. E do ba na one pass na wo kwa. Ochina what enti enkula ya ye bia omoto form si enti ye bia 200 cedi ye bia 200 cedi si e bi mo ton best 8 years ayesan
Ebusia anwasem e say na say MP for Pusiga say ye nya no mu wu no yam tam na so mbewu say say mo de tudwa.
That happens, that doesn't happen at the right time. This is what the Almighty Allah has ordained for them. Today is their day. No matter how, no matter what, no matter who was there, as what, even if we brought all the presidents of the world to sit there as ministers or whatsoever, once today is ordained for them to die, they will. And this is what has happened. Unless you don't believe in the oneness of God, unless you don't believe in the oneness of the Almighty Allah, it is not anybody who wanted them to die. There's no single officer there who wanted even one single soul to pass.
Tebusuani pa motene nka no eye MP for Pusiga o say se onua ka omo ene no ho na eyo time na so mo bewu sanke de wiase president Donald Trump Putin ene France for president Macron mo nyina akra bet eba recruitment center no mo ewa akra nkom bewu o sanke de Ghana ministers ni nyina ekotena ewa akra nkom bewu. You see, this is the kind of person na yes one go to parliament and ko share emra na fa meboa Ghana twadwen e woni trim obi bewu and you are telling parents they say the banata na so obewu nipa 6. This is what you are telling their parents, and you call yourself an honorable member of parliament. Imagine these words were coming from an MPP member of parliament in Ghana kiyewu. But I see all of you are quiet because all of you are hypocrites. But God, Allah, is watching all of you. Continue saying this kind of words. 2028 is just around the corner. Ube kofi, ube te odwe, one corner. Senka ubi kazas way. Edifa, bibi from one in the mekano. Why some come up pick his anipano. But we are all watching you people.
So yesterday, after the El-Wak tragedy, could you believe, say, the MP for Pusiga, Honorable Ayamba Mameno? Hey, Tresse, I'm still trying not to believe this. Now, how do I explain to the future kids? How do we explain this? That this statement came from an MP or Babesia and a casa or say they were destined to die. Allah Allah knows that they will die and it's normal. So we just give thanks to Allah. Okasanko for nyamine de man and nyamine ejina adiem. Sanko for Mami as a woman in parliament, bra. Na beka asem chire Ghana for na yen say Mumunim say at the end of more leaders ne 40. Give us some heartwarming message to cool ourselves. This woman woke up, stood up in parliament and told Ghanaians that this was destined to happen. So meaning the helicopter crash, no, that one was also destined to happen. And madam, hey, Mujwe Bibi yo, this thing could have been avoided. This tragedy could have been prevented. How can no Ghana? We've gained independence since 1957, but it seems I don't understand. We still let people form queue in a scorching sun in this world, modern world, just to seek employment, just to get jobs. Me kope bibia bedi, eni mi beye den na mkofoma akra wo fie se ma me kwa kope ejuma yesi ami ejuma me kwa kope bi. Hey, neti training na muni omo fa so wo park no so endran. El-Wak stadium on. No, I'm disappointed. I'm disappointed. I have me ya papa. I didn't see and run. Hey, guys, learn a trade. Mungo suye juma. Mungo suye juma. Because what happened yesterday in a one, and one woman in Penyah funny beings will say, it's only 6 that died. It's not 12. It's only 6 that died. So you were expecting 12 or more than 12, madam. I'm disappointed in you and your uniform. Our leaders, please wake up, take measures to end certain things like this.
So the why you mama El-Wak comment section. I Penyah Media.